But nothing will protect us from more snow,
No.
which is good.
Yeah, especially in the mountains where most of it's going to fall, but we've got a shot a little bit here in the metro as well. In fact, we'll take a look at a band of snow to our northwest that we need to keep an eye on. Sandia Peak, a lot of cloud cover up at 10,000 feet, and you can see occasionally down along the valley floor, but it has been sort of a rough day to do that up in the mountains, and you can just get a little peek out there of the sun shining down onto the valley right now. Pretty cool stuff from there. Eagle Nest, they have had a lot of cloud cover today. Snow showers in and out throughout the day, and this is the kind of storm we've been talking about, which is not necessarily a big time system, but one that can deliver 3-4 inches of snow at a time, and slowly over time that can make a difference. And here's a look at what's going on with the radar. Yes, we have a nice little band of snow setting up to our northwest, and it's starting to sag down toward the Santo Domingo Pueblo, central portions of Sandoval County. Will it hold together into the metro? It'll have a chance to do that, so we may well end up with at least a few more snow showers here. Will it make a big difference? Probably not, but it'll be kind of cool to see the snow out there. And as you get up a little farther to the north, we have scattered snow showers across the northern mountains. Been pretty steady snow across the resorts this afternoon and into this evening. Meanwhile, out into east central sections, areas like Harding County and Mora County picking up scattered snow showers as well throughout the night. And continue with that chance at a little bit of snow. Then we'll get the break for tomorrow. 43 degrees in the metro, winds out of the west at 18 miles an hour, 20s and 30s for your temperatures to the north, 40s in central sections, and down to the south, 30s, 40s, and 50s. Weather disturbance sliding its way through here throughout the next 6 or so hours, and then we get the break working its way through, so look for that possibility of snow showers continuing till after midnight, and then warmer for tomorrow. Later on in the day tomorrow, we already start to see more snow showers setting up over areas of Durango and across southwestern Colorado. And as we get out to the northeast, it could get interesting there by Sunday. So here is your storm report. Right now, storm is off the Pacific Northwest coast. Saturday night into Sunday is the time frame we're watching. Heavy mountain snow will be a possibility here, possibly on both slopes, west and east slopes. Valley snow showers and very windy across the south. Bust potential on this is still a little bit high for a couple of reasons. Number one, still have some model disagreement on the track of this storm. And number two, the storm's going to keep on moving. It's not going to slow down all that much. So it's going to be here for a shorter period of time, limiting some of the snow accumulation with it. So here's a look at what's going on. Tonight, we see those snow showers back off across the area. Tomorrow looks pretty good till later on in the day, and then up around Durango and the San Juans of southwestern Colorado start to see that snow again. What gets interesting here is first you get the Pacific front that pushes its way toward the metro area, and then we start to see some cool air slide down the east side of the state and up along the east slopes of the northern mountains as well. That could help touch off some more snow into Sunday and possibly even into early Monday morning as well. Stay tuned. It gets interesting. 36 Pagosa Springs, 38 in Durango, 41 in Cortez. Increasing clouds with snow developing. Across the northwest, temperatures here 30s and 40s. Sun and clouds, warmer conditions. And on Sunday, we get that chance at more snow. 60 TRC, 59 in Las Cruces, Alamogordo, and Deming. Chance for some showers by Sunday. Down into the southeast, mostly sunny skies. West winds 10 to 20 miles an hour. 64 in Roswell, 58 in Fort Sumner. Up to the northeast, temperatures here 40s and 50s. Mostly cloudy skies by Sunday with snow a possibility. Meanwhile, northern mountains, snowstorm comes in for Sunday and possibly another one into Tuesday. Down into the East Mountains, high 40s for tomorrow, mostly sunny. And here in the metro, we get a break for tomorrow. Looks pretty good. Temperatures in the low 50s. Great day to be outside. And by Sunday, more chances for at least a few snow showers, maybe a little bit more here in the city, but I think most of it's going to stay to the north.
Cold on Sunday.
Yep.
Sports is next.